Welcome back to the Business Show, where we talk about all things money and finance and anything to push you forward in the future. This isn't like my normal setup. I'm literally standing in the middle of my basement right now, but my house is going chaotic right now and there's nowhere to really have like a good spot to record a video. But I thought this video was crucial to record just because I want this idea to get stamped through your brain because I want you guys to make money in 2023. Companies like OpenSea's AI have been making AI systems that can help us, like humans, like do like the day-to-day stuff. One of the big ones you probably heard of on social media is GPT. So basically it's like a AI system that will basically have, what the heck? Hopefully you can hear me over my stupid AC system, but it's basically a bot system where you literally can ask it to type anything or tell you how to do something and it'll tell you. And it's kind of freaky. Like literally go to Google right now and type it in and ask it literally anything and it'll tell you how to do it, unless it has to do with something with like something really bad. I don't want to say it on YouTube because I don't want to get taken off YouTube with only 200 subscribers, but you can literally ask it to do anything. It's really wild. Go do it. But now to get to the money making part of this video. So these AI systems are not going to take your jobs. Well, they probably will take some people's jobs, but I do believe that these AI systems will help us enhance and help people to get more jobs and more higher paying jobs. So I made videos before on TikTok and on YouTube of high profitable skills, like high income skills, another phrase for it. And one of those skills was copywriting. So copywriting is basically just writing in any format words to persuade the person that's reading it. And companies will pay big dollars, like big, huge dollars, like 6 figures or 5 figures and on, just for you to write persuasive language for their companies, and that's how they make money in translation. So this is a thing already without AI, but AI is just going to make it easier for normal people like us to make money through this. So the people who are making money with copywriting, they are going through years of school to become good writers and learn how to write well and how to use the words to persuade someone, because that's what copywriting is. But normal people like us, since these AI systems are so advanced, we can get between these copywriters and these businesses, and we can say, oh, I will do this person's work for half the price, and I'll do it 10 times faster. But don't tell them that you're using an AI system to do this. So, and they'll most likely ask for example. So show them example of you copywriting. And these companies are gonna read these like, wow, this is amazing. This is better than our copywriter, just because they don't know that it was written by an AI system, which is literally almost perfect. And the way that you keep on making money with this, I know you said like you tell them that you want to do it for half the pay of the normal person, but the thing is you can keep on going to businesses over and over again, and since you're doing it so fast, because you're literally taking what is it, like half a minute, like 30 seconds to type in blah 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 blah, make a persuasive argument on why oranges are better than apples. I don't know, that was super random, but like the AI system ChatGPT will literally make an essay for that in not even a minute, like literally 20 seconds. So you're just gonna go to businesses over and over again and ask them to become a copywriter for half the price, and then after a while, $300 a month, $400 a month, company, soon you'll be at $20,000 a month. Thank you for watching my super low budget video, but I'll probably make more videos on this, and please smash the like button down below, even though this was very low quality. Bye bye.